I love Casey very, very much. I would die for her, for Frankie, for Miguel and Miguel if I had to. Silang apat lang ang papayag akong mamatay kesa sa kanila. Remember when she was small, sabi ko, kung merong paglaki ni Casey, kung merong man dumating na panahon na yung nakalaan sa kanya mga problema, Ate P, baka naalala mo yun? Kung yung mga darating pag-adult na siya, sana sa akin na lang ibigay. Do you remember that? Kasi alam ko na yung strengths ko, alam ko yung capacity ko, kakayanin ko. Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin niya. So, ayokong masaktan yung anak ko. Yun lang. But I'm happy they're close, but I love her very, very much from the bottom of my heart. And yung mga nagbabash sa amin na yung bang mga, siguro mga gusto maging nanay ni Casey. O yung mga troll lang na walang magawa, o fans ng iba, o fans niya na hindi nakakaintindi. Huwag kayong magdunong-dunungan kasi hindi kami yung pamilya. Ang showbiz, trabaho namin. Hindi kami showbiz na pamilya. Pag-uwi, we're very decent and private. And some things have to stay within the family. So, you cannot expect me na siraan ko ang anak ko.
Yes.
I will never do that. And ano man, lahat ng tao nagkakamali. As long as an apology is sincere and you take accountability for it, whatever it is, this is for all my children. I will always forgive and I will always embrace you with open arms. And napaalam siya sa akin kasi, Mama, I'm leaving for New York tonight. So there was a time nakikita ko na lang nasan siya sa Instagram niya. So yung nagkaroon ng mga times na hindi siya nagko-communicate kasi siguro ganun talaga pagbata. May buhay kang sarili, minsan nalilimot mo. And nami-miss ko yun, syempre. And I will always remember what I taught her. And I am praying that she remembers everything she learned from me and my mom. Laking lola rin siya eh. Kailangan i-honor niya dahil ang nagpalaki sa akin, lola rin niya. So hindi pwedeng iba kami. Kasi pare-pareho ang palaki ko sa mga anak ko. And I wanna apologize to Kiko and the Pangilinan clan kasi nadawit yung dahil dun sa pagka-public ng pag-unfollow. It's really just a small thing that got a bit out of hand and it's a family matter. So whatever it is, I will always support my daughter. I will always love her. And I will always be her mom and tell her what she's doing right and tell her what she's doing wrong until she is 80 and I'm still alive. I'll always be her mom.
Yes, very well said, Shawi. Very